1. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Saturn. D. Mars. Answer: B. Jupiter. 2. Who was the first president of India? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. S. Radhakrishnan. D. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Answer: A. Rajendra Prasad. 3. Which is the national animal of India? A. Lion. B. Elephant. C. Tiger. D. Deer. Answer: C. Tiger. 4. Which is the smallest state of India by area? A. Goa. B. Sikkim. C. Tripura. D. Nagaland. Answer: A. Goa. 5. What is the chemical symbol of water? A. Co. B. HO. C. O. D. NaCl. Answer: B. HO. 6. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. India. B. Japan. C. China. D. Thailand. Answer: B. Japan. 7. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Horse. B. Tiger. C. Cheetah. D. Leopard. Answer: C. Cheetah. 8. Who discovered gravity? A. Galileo Galilei. B. Isaac Newton. C. Albert Einstein. D. Charles Darwin. Answer: B. Isaac Newton. 9. Which is the largest continent? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. North America. D. Europe. Answer: B. Asia. 10. What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai. B. Kolkata. C. New Delhi. D. Chennai. Answer: C. New Delhi. 11. Which gas is used by plants for photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Answer: C. Carbon dioxide. 12. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Ganga. D. Mississippi. Answer: B. Nile. 13. Which festival is called the Festival of Lights? A. Holi. B. Diwali. C. Eid. D. Christmas. Answer: B. Diwali. 14. Which vitamin is produced in the human body by sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer: D. Vitamin D. 15. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? A. Horse. B. Camel. C. Donkey. D. Ox. Answer: B. Camel. 16. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? A. K2. B. Mount Everest. C. Kanchenjunga. D. Kilimanjaro. Answer: B. Mount Everest. 17. Which is the national sport of India? A. Cricket. B. Hockey. C. Football. D. Kabaddi. Answer: B. Hockey.